welcome back to my channel. I am Deepa Smesi, in case you don't already know, and in today's video I'm going to be trying out a lovely unit from LUVME hair. Alright, so in today's video I'm going to be trying out their 10-inch Yaki bob wig. If that sounds like something you want to see, then make sure to keep on watching. Love you. Mwah. So lovelies, we're going to be trying out this unit from LUVME hair. We're going to be trying out their realistic Yaki bob wig that comes in a bang, that's a fringe. And this unit we're going to be trying out comes in 10 inches. The one we're going to be trying out today comes in 10 inches. If you check their website, you can find the 10-inch, the 12-inch, and I think a 14-inch if I'm not mistaken. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and try it with you guys. So lovelies, this is what the wig came in. It came with lots of amazing stuff. I'm really impressed with the quality of the items that it came in. All right, and this is what the wig came looking like. This is straight out of the box. I've not done anything to it, like nothing at all. I've not brushed, I've not done anything, and this is what is giving already. This is literally a wear and go wig. Like you can literally just throw this on. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on, but first of all let me show you the construction of this wig. I love the fact that it has this lace here, which kind of gives that realistic vibe because of the lace. You should go ahead to see how it looks like that, right? Just this pattern here, I love that. And the way I'm looking at the bangs, I love that the bangs are not like so heavy, so it can be breathable at the same time. All right, so I'm going to go ahead to try on this wig. So my love, this is what the wig is giving right now. I love that, but for me I don't really like my bangs to be this long, so I'm just going to go ahead and customize it to the way I like it, or I'm going to go ahead and straighten it and see if I can bump it up. But yeah, that's literally what I need to do. Then I'm going to go ahead and just straighten and use my hot comb and wax stick to kind of flatten this part so it just goes down and it's pressed. But yeah, that's all we're going to do this week. So my lovelies, I just went ahead to use the straightener to kind of bob it because of the way it was packaged. This side was kind of coming out, it was bumping out, but yeah, we got that corrected. And I love the fact that it just kind of went through once I used the straightener, because some wigs, they will struggle with you. You get me? So now I'm going to use my wax stick. This thing is almost gone. I've had this thing for like 3 years. Don't judge me, but it's almost out. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead to use it to press this down just a little so it doesn't turn out greasy. So then I'm going to go ahead and bob out the fringe. That will help me decide if I want to trim it off a little bit, because I do not love the fact that it's literally on my eyelash. So I'm going to go ahead, bob it, see how it looks like, right? Then I'm going to go ahead to decide if I'm going to trim it or not. But yeah, let's do that. lovelies, I just went ahead to straighten and use the hot comb, and this is what it's looking like. I bumped this out and it's no longer like in my eyes anymore, so I don't think there's any need to trim it. I'm gonna leave that option, but let me know what you think, brother. Let me know if you would have gone ahead to trim some off, but like literally it's not disturbing me anymore since I popped it out, and I love it. Let me know what you think down below about this hair. Love it. Like I said, this is a Yankee texture. It's not your normal texture, it's a Yankee texture. I love it. I love that the bangs are breathable, like it's not heavy. You get me? It's not heavy like other bobs. And then this pattern space where the lace is, love it. It just gives unique. I really love this hair. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Let me know if it's something you'll be trying out. Let me know if you like this length on me. Do you think I should have gone for a 12-inch or a 14-inch? But I really love this. I love the 10-inch. I love like the off-shoulder look. Nothing disturbing me. Everything is like up here and it's really giving what it should give, and it looks cute on me. That's what I think. Yeah, let me know what you think down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video, guys. And if you're watching the end of this video, you already know you're the what? You already know you're the real MVP. Thank you so much, lovelies, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you. Mwah. Bye.